Look carefully. What animals is this? It's an octopus. Can you guess this one? What is it? It's a dolphin. What do you think this is? Take a guess. It's a crab. Look at these cute sea animals. Can you guess? It's a starfish. Great job, kids. See you in the next guess video. Bye bye, son.